Hey, do you want to learn how to use ZipWP, AI website builder? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, so first you need to get over to zipwp.com and on the top right, click on Get Started. It's going to take you over to the pricing page, but we are going to click on Login. And on the left-hand side, you can click here on Sign Up for Free. Then you can sign up with Google or sign up with email. I prefer signing up with Google, so I'm going to click here. Once you have signed up, it's going to take you over to the dashboard page. On the right-hand side, you're going to find this Create New button. Click on here. Then if you want to make a WordPress website, a blank WordPress website, you can click here on the first link. But as we are talking about the AI website builder, so we're going to go with the complete website, the second one. Click on it. Over here, it's going to say, let's build your website. Great. We need to type in our website name. So I'm going to type in Casa Paus here. This website is for, you can click here and it's going to give you a drop down. You can select one of these. For example, for us, we are building a pet store. So it's going to be a local business. If you want to change your language of your website, you can click here. It's going to give you a drop down. Select any of these. They've got a lot of languages here. There's advanced options. This is for custom subdomain and site validity. You can make it permanent as well. So they do have the hosting inbuilt. But for this, you need to get to a paid plan. All right, let's click on next. Here you can describe what your business is about in a few words. So let's say I can type in something like this. Casa Paus is a pet store located in New York. Great. We can improve using AI, so we can click here and it's going to expand it like this, much better. Let's click on next. Now here, how can people get in touch with your business? So you can type in your email, phone number, address, and social media accounts. So I can say YouTube, enter in your YouTube account URL, and click on next. I'm going to skip this step. Here you can select the images. These are all with the help of Pexels, which is a free stock media website. You can click here and change what you want. For example, these suggested keywords are based on the information that we provided before. So based on the pet accessory store, it gave us all this. Let's take a look at pet supplies. And it's going to give us all these images here. You can also take a look at animal care. And there you go. Let's go to pet supplies. Here on the right-hand side, you can change the orientation, make it portrait. You're going to find all the images in portrait now. All right, let's select some of these. And in landscape, let's also select some here. Great. If you want to upload your own images, you can do that by clicking over here and then uploading images here. Just click on here to get a pop-up like this, select your images, and then click on open. Or you can also drag and drop them, max 20 images. You can also click here to upload your images. Great. Now there's selected images here. If you want to deselect them, these are your selected images. Just click here on the X button to deselect them. Now let's click next. And it's going to ask you to choose the design. So it's creating our website design right now. You can also go over here, click on it, and it's going to give you a drop down. You can select between Block Editor or Elementor. Block Editor is an Gutenberg page builder that is built into WordPress at the moment. And Elementor is a page builder that is in WordPress, but you need to install it as a plugin. And it has a much higher learning curve ceiling compared to the Gutenberg. You're going to find that these are all premium designs. If you opt for one of these, you do need to pay for the premium design. It's $79. Just press on escape to go back here. And if I scroll down, I'm going to find this option 5. This is a free design. So I'm going to click on it. And then on the left-hand side, I can upload my site logo. I can change the font pairing. I think this looks great. Let's go with the color palette. Let's go more like a pinkish color like this. Great. Let's click on continue. Now here you can select features. I would suggest not doing anything here. Just keep it as it is, these 3 checked. Then click on start building. Now here it's going to say, congratulations, you're almost there. Let's start building the website. And now it's going to create your website with AI. All right, your website is ready. And over here, you can click on it. These are your login credentials. This is your URL, your username and password. You can copy it from here and save it somewhere. Now let's click on see your website or view dashboard. Let's click here to view the dashboard to check out the dashboard of a newly made website that is built with AI using ZipWP. All right, we are here. This over here on the top right, this is your expiry time. So I'm on the free plan. I can get 1 day time to check out the website. If you go for a paid plan, you can set it for permanent as well. They've got these pricing plans on their website. I'm going to show you that later in this video. If you want to change your pages, so I can go inside this pages on the left hand side, go to all pages. And this is my home page. So I'm going to click here, right click it and open in a new tab, the home page, the front page. And this is what it is. Great. I want to edit it. I can click here on the top, click on edit page. And now it's going to take us over to our editor for this specific page. If you want to go to another page, you can click here and then you can go for a command. For example, let's say our pages are about, contact, services. So I type in about here and it's going to show me the about page. So I can click on it and it's going to directly take us over to the about page section. All right, let's go back to our main front page. Now, maybe you want to edit something. For example, this text, you can click here and start typing. That's it. And if I click on it again, I've got this menu bar on the top. I can ask the AI, there's an AI assistant inside it, fix grammar, rephrase, and all this. And on the right side here, this is your block. So for the settings of it, you've got this here on the right hand side. You can enable icon image like this. There is content, separator, and a lot more. There's style. You can change the style of this box. If you want to change the image, you can click here and change image on the right hand side. And then you can upload your own image here. So it's going to change it. Or you can go with the media library as well. So you've got all this here. You can also click on search images and it's going to go back to that pexels thing. So you can search for a specific image. For example, I can say pet. And there you go. There are lots of these images here. I can select one of these and insert it like this. There you go. Our image has been changed. Now let's scroll down. Maybe you want to add another section in between. You can click here. Now you're going to find these three dots, these options. Click on it and you've got this add after or add before. So we're going to click on add after and we are going to make this block section here. Now you can type slash and these are all your blocks. If you want, you've got this on the left hand side. These are your blocks as well for fast editing. So call to action, just click on it and it's going to add this call to action block here. To delete it, just need to click on these three dots and click on delete. Also, there is design library on the top. You can click on it. This is your Spectra library. This is by ZipWP, same company. And here you've got all these on the left hand side. Pricing, you've got these pricing patterns that you can insert in your website. So let's say I want this one, I can click here and insert, and it's going to add it over here. That's simple. You can also go to design library again. You've got pages here. If you have more than 5K credits, you can generate content for pages, but with the free plan, you do not get that many. There's kits. These are like full pre-made websites that you can insert. So they have these templates inside it. These are premium, these are free ones. You can check it out. If I click over here at the cog icon settings, I can update the AI to update the details for the AI to suggest new text and images. There's disable AI if you do not want that AI to be there, adaptive mode, and all this. Let's click on close. You can also click here on the right hand side, add blocks to quick action bar. So you can click it and then you can add like form and it's going to be added to the quick action bar here. So let's say I want to add another one. I can just click here, three dots. And then add after. And here, I can just click on this form that we just added. And it's going to automatically create our form block. It's going to be fast like this. Instead of typing in slash and then finding the forms block. Just let's select newsletter form. And there you go. We've got a newsletter form here. And of course, you need to set it with a plugin. But this works. All right, once you've done that, you've got this on the top. If you want to view it in tablet mode, you can do that in mobile and it's fully responsive. On the right of here, you've got AI assistant. You can click on it and this is your AI assistant inside ZipWP. So you can ask it things. For example, show me a code snippet of blur on hover CSS and a lot more. You just start typing here and it's going to give you suggestions or tips. Once you've done everything inside here, make sure to save your website. Now let's click on view page and it's going to take you over here. And that's it. Our image has been changed and we have added this section. Looks great. All right, so this is the pricing of ZipWP. You can go over here. If you select platform, this is just for using the ZipWP platform. That's it. If you want to go with the hosting that is included inside it, you need to go with the platform plus cloud. So if I scroll down, you're going to find this staging features and one live website. If I go with platform, this is 15 days validity. So yeah, the most expensive one, which is the business plan, has 30 days validity. But with the platform and cloud, got one live website for all of them. And you can do all this inside it. So that's it. That's how to use ZipWP AI Website Builder. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more WordPress and ZipWP related tutorials. See you there, and bye for now.